Okay. Hello, dear friends. Good evening. Such a beautiful, beautiful evening. Okay. Hello, dear friends. Good evening. Oh, my glasses. Such a beautiful, beautiful evening. So, loser unboxing some of the best thing you like, right? So the other day I went to Trader Joe, and they have this sale, this salt, fleur de sel, Portuguese, fleur de sel, the sal, and sea salt from the coast of Portugal. And I love this little packaging. Just love it. Oh, this is a little bit. Okay, this might be better, right? Okay, it's all to my eyes. And it looks so good. I love this, so I bought it. And also, this one, this had been had. This had been had for a long time already. And I never got the chance to open it because I want to make it a little bit ceremonial. Let's do the salt first. I hope I can open it right. Oh, I cannot. A little bit. Not too bad when you think about it. Not too bad. Yeah, I am perfectly clean. Almost. Shall we open up this one? So every year, Christmas season or end of year season, Trader Joe always have something, something quite pretty and special I would like to purchase there. Oh, I cannot open it. It's quite strong, and I do not want to damage it. Look at it. Oh, look at it. Shall we use our macro lens? Look at it. Wow. A little bit too big. Okay, let's take a look. I cannot help but moving my hand. Yeah. Okay, that is it. That is it. Okay, now I try not to move. Something is wrong. Every time I make the video, it stops. Okay. Oh, this is a macro. Okay, make it. Don't move. Don't move. Look at it. Look at it. Wow. Isn't it fascinating? Don't move. Who is moving? Is that me? That's quite pure. ate one little drop of it. Okay, now we come back to this cookie. Don't you like this little container? I love it. I love it. We are using a paper container. So I was thinking maybe I can have something a little bit more delicate. And now I am having it. Okay, now let's take a look at this. Another loser unboxing. It's been so long time. Do not want to damage it at all. Ooh, cannot piercing through. Okay. And I always like this kind of wooden box. I have a wooden spoon box. So every time when I go to France, I look for wood box, cookie box. But I have never found that particular wood box ever again. Let me have a selfie. This is strawberry water. I put strawberry and I make strawberry jam. And today I am in the little bit. Oh, there is. I am not in the best of myself. I didn't eat, so I think I can eat some energy. Les sablés de d'Asnel, biscuiterie Les Sablés d'Asnel, 17 rue de Southampton. Wow, that's an English name. Oh, Normandy. Oh, la. It makes sense. Normandy has a lot of yeah. In the World War II, the Normandy embarkment of Normandy. 96 0 Asnel de la Belle Plage. Guéret. Peinture de François Guéret. Peinture de François Guéret. I love this painting. Fabrication traditionnelle, ganitier au beurre pur de Normandie. Normandie, c'est connu pour le beurre, très connu. C'est superbe. Sablé Normandie du pays de Bessin, Calvados. Les salés fins, ingrédients, farine de blé, sucre, beurre, moitié sel désigné, et puis aberration originale. AOP, c'est quoi? Original. Not contrôlé, produit ou quelque chose. 24% œufs de boules élevées en plein air. peut contenir des traces de fruits de coque. Look at it, so pretty. I love this. I love this. This, I think I bought it in Normandy, and I bought it in Normandy. So when we went to France, this time we went to Normandy. One of the family member lives. One of the family live in Normandy, so we went to their place. Look at it. Seashell shaped. Oh, look at it. It's so good. So very good. C'est un peu différent. C'est un peu différent de sablé de Bretagne. C'est un peu moins épais. Ça a l'air un peu différent quand même. This is the middle of the night. I am not exactly in the mood of eating it. So I will put it back. I am so happy. Let me see. This later on will be my brush or painting box. You see pencil? Yeah, pencil size is okay. Pen, yes, pen is okay. And bookmark. Oh, even these large brushes. This long brush. Uh-oh, it's too short. It's too short. So I will not use this brush. I will use something else. That is, so today everything is looser unboxing because I love them. And this one I went to Costco, I bought it. And I think this one is repackaged or something. This is the very last one. I always wanted to buy it, but never. Never thought it is time. So this time I bought this one. I think this is repackaged. See, it's upside down, but it will not change the quality of the brush. So I'm okay with it. I still like to see things in the best condition. It's exactly the same as my old one. I like it because it's not too big. A lot of time you buy some glasses, they are too large and fall down. This is one of them that is not too large. And oh my goodness, I can see everything so good. A clean new pair of glasses is just such a pleasure. Oh, this is so good. So very good. Oh, 有咕咕在这里。Oh, TT, it's white. TT is here. Okay, let's see this one. Wow, this is so good. Maybe tomorrow we will do a try on, but that's about it. You have a beautiful, what else do I want to show you? Another loser unboxing. My family bought it. Ah, honey lemon. Yeah, I lost my voice and my family bought it. Yeah, my husband gave this. Losange. 40 losange. Is this American or from UK or from where? Made in Losange, New York. Distributed. Made in England. Ah, yeah, this is made in England. Maybe I can try one of it, right? Sugar free, so. And then I will go to brush my teeth. Tear along the line. Not bad at all. I cannot tear. The plastic is so strong. Now I can tear. Ah, there is even a. How does it look? I didn't try it for forever. Losange. Wow. Immediately you feel. It's so, immediately you feel. It's so girlfriend. Freshman's friend is girlfriend. Freshman's friend, girlfriend, sugar-free, honey lemon, menthol, cough, suppressant oral, anesthetic. What is girlfriend doing here? Girlfriend? Why girlfriend? Girlfriend? Bye bye, friends. I love you. I really do. Do. Goodbye. Bye.